So in this video, I want to challenge you to commit to content rewards for the next 30 days and just see how much traffic you'll be able to get and how much money you'll be able to make. If you are new to the channel, my name is Jones, and on this channel I share different ways you can make money online by simply creating various types of content. Now, full disclaimer, this won't be the first time I'll be making money using this particular method. Those who have been on the channel will remember that I earned over $3,000 in a single month using this very method last year. I even did a full case study on it, and for those that would want to watch it, I'll link it somewhere on the screen, or you can just check the description or the comments section. Now, the main reason for this particular challenge is because I've noticed that most people tend to give up way too soon before they see any good results. That is why we've set 30 days. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is come over to this website known as Content Rewards. You can simply click the link in the description and it will bring you to this very platform, or you can just simply type in contentrewards.com, whichever works for you. It's all right. Now, basically what Content Rewards is a business model created for creators in mind. Now, basically what you'll be doing is that you'll be creating content for other people or businesses or companies, and you'll be posting that content on your social media platform. For example, if you have a TikTok account, you'll be posting on your TikTok. Then depending on the amount or the number of views that you get on that very video, you get paid for it. So regardless of the device that you are using, it can be your mobile device or your laptop, this method works. So once you're on the page, all you have to do is click right here where it says start earning today, or you can simply click right here where it says become a creator. I'm just going to use the start earning today. Now, what this will do is that it's going to ask you to log in with your Gmail account. Now, don't worry, it's a very safe platform, very trusted. Basically what you're doing is you're creating your own account. So I'm just going to click right here, continue with Google. So once you're logged in with your Google account, you just need to create your profile by entering the details that are requested. Let's just go right ahead and just simply click continue, and here tell us about your content. I personally am able to create content in English, so let's choose English. If let's say you're able to even use other languages, you can even select, let's say, French, Spanish, Portuguese, depending with whichever you are able to create for, if let's say you are multilingual. So I'm just going to stick with English and simply click continue. Then what type of creator are you? Now, if you're just getting started, it doesn't matter what you select, you can still participate in whatever type of content rewards that are there. So I'm just going to click just getting started. How did you find us? You're going to choose YouTube and simply click continue. Then here where it says link your social accounts, it's not necessary to do it right away. I'm going to show you a better method of how you can link your social account. So just simply click continue. Now, the final step in setting up your account is to connect your Whoop account. Now, if you don't know what Whoop is, it's basically a platform for digital entrepreneurs. It can be used for both selling digital products and also launching content rewards. Now, the reason we are creating, or we have to link a Whoop account, is because that's the platform Content Rewards uses to pay you out. Okay, so just simply click connect Whoop. Now, once you click that button, you'll be redirected to Whoop login page. Now, if you already have an account, especially for those that have already been on the channel or already have an account on Whoop, for those of you that are new, will be required to create an account. Now, the easiest way of doing it for both is just simply click on login with either your Gmail, your Apple, or your Discord account. It doesn't matter, even if you don't have an account. If you don't have an account, it will create an account for you. If you have an account, you will log into your old account. So I'm just going to choose Gmail and log in. Now, once you are logged in, it will ask for permission to link to your Content Rewards account. So all you have to do is click approve. And immediately you get a confirmation that your Google and Whoop account have been connected, which now brings us to the second step, and that is to simply find a content rewards campaign that you are going to join and make money with. Now, basically, to find a content rewards campaign, you just simply click on browse campaigns. Now, what I'm going to advise is that instead of using content rewards directly on the content rewards page, what we're going to do is to use whoop.com. So we're going to log into the Whoop account that you probably created or already have, and we are going to access the same content rewards from Whoop side. So once you are on whoop.com, all you have to do is click right here where it says discover. Now, when you click on the discover, you are looking for the content rewards page. So here you can see right here where it says clipping, and you can see content rewards. Make sure the logo shows content rewards. So I'm just going to click on content rewards right here, and you can see that we get the same page that we had on the content rewards official page, and it's the same page we have here in whoop.com or on the content rewards and inside Whoop. So here what you need to understand is that there are basically two types of content that you'll be creating to make money with content rewards. Now the first one is what we call clipping. Now clipping is basically a creator or the people or a company individuals who come here on Whoop or on content rewards. They'll have a long video, then they'll tell you to find the best moments in those videos or whatever you can think of, make small edits, and they'll tell you maybe a minimum at least 10 seconds. You make that edit, post your social media channel, and in return they'll pay you according to the number of views that you get. So clipping, you're just simply turning long form content into short form content, and you post your social media account. It's as simple as that. So for example, you can see right here in this case, like for this one, Yomi Denzel clipping, let's say if we join this campaign, they'll be paying us $1 per 1,000 views, and you're going to post, let's say for example on TikTok or maybe on Instagram, on YouTube Shorts and the likes. Now the second one, or the second type of content you'll be creating with content rewards, is known as UGC. That is user generated content. Now basically with UGC, this is content where you as a creator have to actually do some creating. You can create maybe content with AI depending on the campaign, and sometimes you have to create content where you are actually in the video. Now if let's say you just want to get started quickly, you probably would want to start with clipping. Now remember, because we're trying to make money, wherever you find an opportunity to make money, there is also people who are trying to scam other people. So there are things to look out for when joining a content rewards campaign. Here you are looking for, first and foremost, I like to look at the amount that is paying. So first I like to come here right here on this button and sort by highest CPM. Now CPM is simply cost per milli. Now here it will show you how much they are paying per 1,000 views. Now in as much as we like how much they are paying per 1,000 views, there are some unrealistic, let's say, promises that you have to look out for. For example, I don't know if this is true, but like someone is paying $1,000 per 1,000 views, and they're just saying just clipping or whatever. I think this is very, very suspicious. I would probably want not to waste time on that. I would avoid these two campaigns. This promise to me looks scummy. There's no way no one has been paid. They have a budget of 2,500, then they are promising you 1,000 per 1,000 views. Definitely you'd want to avoid such campaigns. Then what you are looking for when choosing a campaign is that you want to see a campaign where at least they are creators and you're seeing the amount at least people are getting paid. It shows at least some amount being used up. Now you don't want to join a campaign, for example, well, this is a good campaign, but when you look at the budget, the total budget is 1,731. Then already 1,317 has been spent. So they've already gone over 75% of the budget. Now, if the budget is 75% done, you don't want to join such a campaign because you end up working for free and you won't get paid. That's how it is. With content rewards, once the budget is exhausted, you don't get paid. So you want to find a campaign that is the budget is less than 50% used up. Now because this is a challenge, I'm going to even tell you the campaigns or the main campaigns we're going to be using for this challenge, and the first one is the content rewards long form. Okay, this is the campaign you're going to look for. So if let's say you are based in tier 1 countries like the USA, Canada, UK, Australia, those tier 1 countries, you are looking for this one, content rewards tier 1 base pay. Okay, so you're going to click on this one, content rewards. Okay, just click on it. Now you can see that the budget is $20,000 and only 2,000 has been paid out. So meaning that a lot of people are not doing this campaign, and there's opportunity for us to make money. Now don't worry, even if you have 0 subscribers, this is a campaign you make money, and I'm going to show you in just a second. So now you're going to click right here where it says join campaign. Okay, now once you click there, you are going to be asked to join the community for content rewards. Now just go right ahead and join, and simply click right here, join for free. In fact, that reminds me also, when you're joining a content rewards campaign, make sure the content rewards that you're joining is free. Now once you've joined the content rewards, you see the entire content rewards. That's why I was saying it's best to use it from the Whoop platform. Now look at it from this section. You are able to contact support. You are able to go through, let's say, the courses where they will show you. If you click, let's say, start here, you are able to link your social accounts. You are able to find bounties, announcements also, and all other useful information from here as compared to doing it directly on content rewards. So now here what I want you to do is simply click right here where it says content rewards. Now once you do click on it, you see all the campaigns that are by content rewards themselves. Now the reason why I want you to start with content rewards themselves is because it's actually the actual platform themselves. So you're not doing campaigns for other people. You are assured that these are legit campaigns and you get paid for your work. And so now you can see right here there's multiple campaigns that are currently running. Remember I said that you have to look at the budget that is pending. So here it has already gone over 75%. Probably if you join, you might end up not making money, but at least they still have $10,000 to pay out. That's still a lot. You can still join this one because it's a big amount that is still remaining. $9,000 is still big. They can't finish it in one day. The one we're going to start with is this one. We're saying content rewards long form, and this one content rewards tier 1 base pay. Now once you join a campaign, the next thing you want to do is to read the requirements. This is a must do. Now to do that, you're going to scroll down and you want to look for requirements and resources. So now when you look at it from here, like you can see, like requirements right here, they're saying 40% tier 1 audience is required. Now for some of us, you would find, like for example, let's say on my channel, you find that my audience is like there's 20% Nigeria, 20% USA, 20% India, then there's also other countries that are there. By the way, I'm very grateful to all of you that keep watching. Shout out to Nigeria, shout out to the USA, because these are my top audience, and shout out to my third audience, which is India. Shout out to all of you. So now you check the requirements. Now for those of you that are starting with a new channel, you wouldn't want a situation whereby you post, then let's say the people who view, let's say for example, they are from, all of them, they are from a certain country, you would maybe find it difficult to get your payouts. So in this case, I might say, okay, this campaign is not very good for me. So what I advise everyone that is watching this video is to join the non-English campaign. Now don't worry, even if you'll be creating content in English, I've already read the rules and I'm going to show you right now. So let's just go right ahead with the non-English campaign. So I've gone back, and right now I'm going to click on the long form UGC non-English. That's why I said it's very important to read the rules. Now here you can see right here, read the campaign brief, always promote the platform as content rewards or whatever. For those of you that might have figured it out, actually what I'm doing right now is I'm also creating a video for this particular campaign. Now here you see where it says resources. Simply click on the resources right here and it will open up a page where you can find all the rules. Now I've already read these rules. Now basically what you are creating is content where you are targeting or you are promoting content rewards. You are promoting content rewards to anyone. It can be people in your country. You can use any language. You can use English in any. So this one, it does not matter where your audience is coming from, so long you are promoting the same content rewards. So I've gone through all these rules, but of course you are going to read them on your own. So once you're satisfied that you meet all the requirements or the rules, you'll be able to satisfy the requirements. The next thing you want to do is to connect your account. Remember I told you that we are going to link our account using Whoop. So here under the same campaign that we are, let's say we are going to participate in, you see right here where it says account. So just click on that and you just simply click on add your account. So when you click on add your account, you are going to choose the platform that is for that particular campaign. So in this case, the campaign that I said we start with is YouTube campaign. So right here, after you choose YouTube, you're going to click on continue. And here I'm going to type YouTube username. I'm going to paste it right here and simply click continue. Now when I do this, Whoop will give me a verification code. Now you have to copy this verification code, then you are going to come back to your YouTube channel. Even if let's say you're on mobile, it's still okay. You come back to your YouTube channel, you're going to go to YouTube Studio. Now inside YouTube Studio, you're going to simply click on customization right here. Then under the customization tab, you want to scroll down, then here where it says description, you're going just to paste in that code that they gave you on Whoop. Now you're going to click on publish. You're going to come back to content rewards right here, and you want to click verify account. Now remember to comment challenge accepted if you be following along with this challenge, so that I can know that I should create part 2 quicker. So you just click on verify account, okay, and you can see now the account has been what, verified, okay. And if you want, let's say in the future you want to maybe unlink it, you can just simply come back and simply click unlink. Now which brings us now to the fifth method, is whereby you create the content and actually now come back to Whoop to submit. And so now in this case, the content I'm creating right now, I'm showing you, I'm talking about content rewards. I've promoted content rewards in some way, so I'm going to submit this video right now that you're watching. I'm going to come back to content rewards once, let's say I upload it on YouTube. Now don't worry, even if you have 0 subscribers, still do this one. You can still do this one. I'm going to show you why I'm saying you can still do this one. Now look at the results on YouTube. You can see that there is a high overall score of people searching for content reward. Look at the volume, 80% over a high score. Then look at the competition, very, very low. And if you look at the graph right now, look at it, how today only, like in 1 hour, 3,000 people are searching for content rewards. Over 3,000 people searching for content rewards. Now look at the channels that are ranking, and believe it or not, I can assure you these people are participating in the same campaign. Now look at this one. This channel has 3,000 subscribers and made a video on content rewards, and you can see they got over 7,000 views. Now look at this one. This channel only has 182 subscribers. I can assure you probably this channel had 0 subscribers when they posted this video, and they got 27,000 views in 6 days. Now 27,000 views here, when you multiply it by 1,000 views per, I think they've made over $100. I think this one has made over $100 just with this video, with a channel which doesn't even have 1,000 subscribers. Here is another example. You can see this one only has less than 500 subscribers. Probably even the subscribers came from this very video. They still got 12,000 views. So you can see that there's high demand. Here's another one. It started 8 days ago, got 2,700 views, creating on content rewards. So there's no excuse not to try this, okay? There's no excuse not to try this. So simply create this. This is the first task that you have. Create that video. Then immediately you post, within the first 30 minutes, you come back to content rewards, the exact campaign that you joined, and you're going to click right here, submit video. Now here you're going to use the same title you're going to use on YouTube. You're going to put it right here. You're going to paste the link of the video. Then here where it says audience demographic screenshot. Now if let's say you already have an audience, you will just go to your channel and get the demographics of your channel, okay, and you're going to upload it right here. Now if you don't have, you're just going to upload the thumbnail. For the meantime, you're going to upload the thumbnail of that very video, and you're going to upload it right here, and you click on I've read all the rules and submit the video for approval. Okay, now because this one, it does not matter where your audience is, so this screenshot does not matter as much as compared to the one where your target audience is tier 1 countries. There they will require the actual, let's say, screenshot of your audience, okay.